Hey everybody, Kaylee here again from ZEAL Pro Covers. Today we are going to demonstrate how to put on the mountain bike cover. And if you are wondering if your bike will fit, we've tested this from an extra small all the way up to a specialized Turbo Levo extra large. Your bike will probably fit. A quick synopsis of putting on your cover. First, one handlebar completely in, then the other. Throw it over the seat, put the seat in, zip up the tires. Easiest if you flip it over. We'll show you how. Locate the front of the bag by finding the handlebars and set them over your bars. Take and install one handlebar completely, all the way to the end, okay? Then we're gonna go to the other side. The trick, use a hand, put it on the end of your handlebar, and then slide the neoprene over. You're going to pull over the bike bag to make sure that both are installed. Then throw front cover over your tire. All right, we're gonna grab our seat cover, put it nicely over the seat. Make sure the seat's pushed all the way down and toss the back tire over. Just a little trick, give it a little mini zip. If your wheel lets you in the front, you can give it a little mini zip as well. Grab your rear brake, give it a little pull. We're gonna set it down gently. Now we're gonna finish zipping the front wheel. Go back to the back and zip. Button your zippers so they don't come undone while driving. We want a Velcro for protection. Lastly, we're ready to put the bike back on the rack. This is the light accessory kit. It's gonna come with 2 lights connected and a 4-pin trailer light plug. On your lights, if there is any confusion, you will have 2 stickers on the back, left and right. Facing the bike, already on the vehicle, it will go left and right. This is the left side, we're going to install it. Slides in easily. Push, pop. Close the Velcro, and done. Right side is the exact same, push it in, pop the light out. Close the Velcro. Take your extra cable and throw it over the bike, and you can tie it around your trailer hitch or attach it into the bed of the vehicle depending on where your pin is. Use it with the light kit if you're going to put it on the back of a vehicle, and as always, the straps will pass through on any strapping mechanism you have on your rack. Make sure that you zip it up to keep the elements out. Remember, get out there and don't let the weather stop you. This thing will protect you wherever you go.